ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमस्तथा
प्रत्ययाशिवसूत्राणि आदेशागमास्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
धातुपाठो गणपाठोपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः
प्रत्ययः
प्रत्ययः
परश्च
परश्च
आद्युदातश्च
आद्युदात्तश्च
अनुदातौ सुप्रितौ
दातौ सुप्तौ
गुप्तिच्किद्भ्यः सन्
कीचुकिदिभ्यः सन्
मान् बदधांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
मान् बददांशाभ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
धातोः कर्मणसमानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
धातोर्कर्मणः समानकर्तृकादीच्छायां वा
सुप आत्मनख्य च
उप आत्मनः क्यच
काम्यच्च
काम्यच्च
उपमानादाचारे
अमानादाचारे
अधिकरणा चेति वक्तव्यम्
अधिकरणा चेति वक्तव्यम्
कर्तृक्यं सलोपश्च
ततः किं सलोपश्च
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्षिप्त्वा वक्तव्यः
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्विबा वक्तव्यः
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यच्वेर्लोपश्च हलः
वृषाद्भ्यो भुव्यच्छुर्लोपश्च हलः
लोकितादिडाज्व्यख्यश
लोहितादि अडाज्भ्यः
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कर्मणोरो मन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
कर्मणोरो मन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकण्वमेघेभ्यः
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकम्बमिगेभ्यः करणे
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
काद्भ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
नमो वरिवश्चित्रहक्य च
नमो वरिवश्चित्रज्ञः च
पुच्छभाण्डचीवराण्णिङ्
उच्चभाण्डचीवरङ्गिङ्
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनव्रतवस्त्रालकलकृततुस्तेभ्यो निच्
कुण्डमिश्रश्लक्षणलवनव्रतवस्त्रहलकालकृतक्तोस्थेभ्यो णिच
धातोरेकाचो हलादे क्रियाः समविहारे यङ्
धातोरेकाचोहलादिः क्रियासमाभिहारेयम्
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
लुपसदचरजपजबदगदशगृभ्यो भावगर्हायाम्
उपसदचर जप जभदः दशघ्रेभ्यो भावगर्हायाम्
सत्याववाशरूपवीणातुलश्लोकसेनालोमत्पचवर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो निच्
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलिश्लोकसेनालोमत्वाच वर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो णिच
हेतुमति च
ऋतुमति च
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक्
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक
विपूधूपविच्छिपणिपणिभ्य आयः
बोधुपविच्पणिपनिभ्य आयः
तेरीयङ्
ऋतेरीयम्
कमेर्णिङ्
कमेर्णिम्
आयादय आददातु वा
आयादाय आर्धधातुकेव
अनाद्यन्ता धातवः
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
शतासील्
स्यतासीलृटोः
सिब्बकुलं लेटी
सिब्बहलं लेटि
कास्प्रत्ययादाममन्त्रे लिटि
कास्प्रत्ययादाममन्त्रे लेटि
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो नृच्छः
यादिष्टगुरुमतो नृच्छः
दयायासश्च
दयायासाश्च
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
उषविदजागृभ्यो न्यतरस्याम्
बीह्रीभृहुवांश्लवच्छ
गेहृभृर्वां श्लुवच
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटे
विदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
विदां कुर्वन् त्वीत्यन्यतरस्याम्
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चिकयां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियाद्विदामकृण्निति छन्दसि
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चिकयां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियाद्विदामकान्निति छन्दसि
श्लीलुङि
श्लीलुङि
1 minute please श्लेघेसि च
श्लेषि च
शलैकुपदादनिटक्सः
शलैकुपदा अनितक्सः
श्लिश आलिङ्गने
श्लिष आलिङ्गने
न दृशः
नदृशः
श्रीदृसृभ्यः कर्तरि छङ्
मेश्रीद्रोस्तृभ्यः कर्तरिच्छन्
विभाषाद्देक्ष्व्योः
भाषाल्हेश्वयोः
विपेश्छन्दसि
उपैश्छन्दसि
नो नयति
Praise
ध्वनयत्येलयत्यर्दयतिभ्यः
Nonayati Dvanayatyetalatiardayatibhyaha
अस्यति वक्तिख्यादिभ्योऽङ्
Asyati Vaktakyadibhyom
लिपि सिचिह्वश्च
Vipesichihvascha
आत्मनेपदेष्वन्यतरस्याम्
Atmanepadeshvanyatrasyam
उषादीदितादृदितः परस्मै पदेषु
Shadiduital dirledititaf parasmai padeshu
सर्तिशास्त्यर्तिभ्यश्च
Artishastyartibhyascha
ईरितो वा
Ritova
ग्लुचु 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 ग्लुञ्चु श्विभ्यश्च. Can you hear me?
Now yes.
Internet connection is stable, unstable. Hello?
Oh, I'm here.
Can you hear me? I said the last
Yes.
one.
Yeah, yes. Juraya Stambul Bharucho Blucho Grucho Glumcho Shribhyascha कृमृद्रुगिभ्यश्छन्दसि Bre Bre Dre Horihibhyaschandasi
चिन्ते पदः
Chinte Padaha
दीपजनबुधपूरितायिप्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
Vipajana Buddha Puri Tai Pyai Bhyonyatrasyam
अचकर्मकर्तरि
Chakkarma Kartari
दुःखश्च
Vescha
न रुदः
Narudaha
तपोनुतापे च
Taponutapecha
चिन्भावकर्मणोः
Ching Bhavakarmanoho
सार्वधातुके यक्
Sarvadhatuke Yaka
कर्तरि शप्
Kartari Shapa
दिवादिभ्यश्यन्
Vivadibhyashyan
वा भ्राश भ्राश भ्रमु क्रमु क्लमु त्रसि त्रुटि लशः
Vabhrasha Bhlasha Brahmu Kramu Klamu Trasi Truti Lashaha
यसो नपसर्गात्
Yasonupasargat
संयसश्च
Inyasascha
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
Sadbhyashnuho
श्रुवश्रु च
Shruvashracha
अक्षोऽन्यतरस्याम्
Kshonyatrasyam
तनूकरणे तक्षः
Tanukarane Takshaha
तदादिभ्यश्यः
Dadvyashaha
मृदादिभ्यश्नम्
Dadvyashnam
तनादि कृङ्भ्यः उः
Tanadikranvyaha Ohu
दिन्विकृण्भ्योरच
Dimvi Kranvyoracha
क्रयादिभ्यश्ना
Krayadibhyashna
स्तम्भु स्तन्भु स्तुन्भु स्कम्भु स्कुन्भु स्कुम्भ्यश्नुश्च
Stambus Stambus Kambus Kumbus Kumbhyashnushcha
हलश्नशानज्जौ
Halashnashanajau
छन्दसि ईशाय जपि
Chandasi Shaya Japi
व्यत्ययो बहुलम्
Vyatyayo Bahulam
लिङ्ग्याशिष्यम्
Nyashishyam
कर्मवत् कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
Karmavat Karmana Tuladkriyaha
तुल्यक्रियः
Karmavat Karmana Tulyakriyaha
तपस्तपःकर्मकस्यैव
Tapas Tapah Karma Kasyaiva
न दुहस्नु नमाम्यक्षिणौ
नादुहस्नु नमाम्यक्षिणौ
क्षीरञ्जोः प्राचांशन् परस्मैपदं च
ऋषीम्रञ्जो प्राचांस्यं परस्मैपदं च
धातोः
धातोः
तत्रोपपदं सप्तमीस्थं
तत्रोपपदं सप्तमीस्थं
कृदतिं
कृदतिं
वासरूपो स्त्रियाम्
वासरूपो स्त्रियाम्
In our list of sutras, we are last sutra was I think Trayadivyashna,
Yes.
which is our sutra number 218. 218. Now 219 we have to see. 219 is Satyapa Pasharupa Veena Tula Shloka Sena Lomat Vachavarma Varna Churadibhyaha Churadibhyo Nich Churadi is Churadi Ganaha. 10th conjugation. Churadi Gane Bhyaha Dhatu Bhyaha Nich Pratyaha Bhavati Dhatoho Paraha Pratyaha Bhavati Iti Sutrena. The other words are also included. Satyapa, those things are not required. They are Pratipadika, in fact. They are nouns. So, Nich is also a pratyaya, is used to convert certain nouns into a verb. So, Satyapa, Pasha, all these are, this up to here, these are all nouns. Namadhatu. From a noun we derive a dhatu. For that it is given. These words are there in the language, therefore these words are also like Satyapayati, Pashayati, Rupayati, those things. Then Churadibhyaha is what we are interested, the 10th conjugation. So Chura, the whole thing is a compound. Itaretara Dvandva Samasa. So Churadibhyaha finally says, Nich Pratyaha Bhavati. Nich is Ardhatuka Pratyaya. And it is not a kit or git or git. Therefore, when follows Angakarya will happen. But Nich is a special thing. The Nakara is it. Therefore, the ach at the end will take vriddhi. Ik upada will take guna. And rasva akara will take vriddhi. The three Angakarya is possible depending on whatever the letter is. So you can see Satyadibhyaha Churna Paryantyebhyaha. Starting from Satya up to Churna. Satyapapasha Rupa Veena Tula Shloka Sena Lomat Pachavarna Charma Varna Churna up to that. And Churadigana will take Nich Pratyaya. That is what Kashikagara says. The Pratyaya Nich is used after these words. Satya meaning truth. Pasha. Pasha means fetter. Okay. Pasha. Pasha means fetter. Pasha Bandha. Pasha. Bandha Pasha. Then Rupa, form, Veena. Veena is lute. No, Veena is a lute. Veena is flute. It sings with the flute, not lute. What is lute? It is flute. Veena, F. Tula is cotton, shloka, celebration. In this context, Sena, army. Loma, hair on the body. And the head is Kesha. Then Tvacha is skin. Varma is male. Varma, okay. Varmayati. Varna, celebration, color. Churna is powder. And also Dhatus of the Churadigana will take Nich Pratyaya. Now, for example, you see, Satyam Karoti is Satyam Karoti, Satyam Achaste. It does follow Satyam. Satyam Achaste, he speaks truth. In that sense, Nich Pratyaya can be added to Satya, the word. When you add the word Satya, then you get Satyapayati. That is what Satyapa, first word is Satyapa. Satya to Nich, how we get Satyapa unless you have one Agama. That Agama is Apuk Agama. So, Pani Maharshi has helped us by giving the word Satyapa as a very first word. It is derived from Satya Shabda. And Apa, from where Apa comes when it is added. So therefore we have to assume Apuk Agama. Something like that becomes. Okay. Apuk Agama comes. That we have to understand. Understand?
Yeah.
Apuk agama comes. We need to understand Apuk agama. Up then Satya Ap. Satya plus Ap, Satyap. Satya plus Nich, Satyapi. Then you can decline adding Shap. Satyapayati. You get that's what you're written. Saha Satyapayati means he speaks truth. He follows the truth. Satyam karoti, Satyam achaste, speaks. So many Pasha the word. Pasha plus Nich, what you get? Pasha plus Nich, then Pashayati. Pashi, Pashe, Pashaya, Pashayati. So when you add, this Pasha is a noun converted into a dhatu by adding Nich. By adding Nich. When Adha Dhatuka Pratyaya is added, Pashi, Pash, become Pashi, then Pashe, Pashaya, Pashayati. Saha Vipashayati. B Upasarga means opposite. Pasha is binding. Vipashayati means liberating. Vipashayati. Pasham vimunchati in that artha. So many rupa the word. Rupa plus nich. Rupayati. Rupe, rupayati. All these are very specific word. Vinaya upagayati. With the Veena she sings. Saha Veenayati. So we have to make how the Kriya Padam is derived. Just to give only one. Pasha the word, for example. Pasha plus nich. You get a new dhatu, nama dhatu. When you add nich, that should go away. Pash, pashi. Pashi is a new dhatu. Then it becomes, you can add shap and tip. Then pashi. Then pashi will become pashe because shap is sara dhatu ka pratyaya becomes she. Then ayadi sandhi, this is content is pashe become pashai, pashaya, pashayati. That's how you get pashayati. Understand?
Yes.
So similarly, rupa becomes rupayati, veena become veenayati. All these words are like that. Namadhatu. Tulena. This is not our scope now, but anyway, just given. Tula. Tulayati. Shloka. Shlokayati. Saha upashlokayati. Praises. Shloka. Because shloka is verse. Upashlokayati. Praises. Senaya abhiyati. Abhishenayati. Senaya. Sena the word. Here Sena is there. Sena. Senayati. Sena plus nich. Same thing. The word Sena plus nich, you get Senayati. I will go Seni, Sene, Senaya, Senayati. Abhipurvaka, Senayati. Then Shattam also happens. Abhishenayati. These are some of the examples given. Senaya, Abhishayati. Advances with the army. Lomani Anumarshti. Anumarshti is Anumarshtam, rubbing. Anumalomayati. Loma plus nich. The word is Loman, in fact. The word is Loman. Loman plus nich. Then Loman, that un will go away. Lomi, Lome, Lomaya, Lomayati. Lomi will get. Lomi is a new dhatu. Then add shab plus tip, you get Lomayati. Okay. Twacham Grinnati. Twacha is skin. Grinnati means feels, touch. So touch dhatu, you add nich. You get Twachayati. Saha Twachayati is equal to Saha Twacham Grinnati. He touches the skin, he feels the skin. Okay. So you can say Tvachayati, Saha Tvachayati. Only these words alone. So only Varmana. Varma is armor. That's what I think I've written here. Varma is Sula Shloka Sena. Male means I think Varma is armor. Varma. Okay. Varma Sannakyati. He puts on the armor. So Varmayati. Samvarmayati. Varma will become Varmi, Varme, Varmaya, Varmayati. Saha Samvarmayati. Puts on the armor. Varnam Grannati celebrates. Or Granati means touching or grasping colors, celebration. Saha Varanayati. Churna is powder. Churnayati. He pulverizes powders. Avapurvaka Churna Dhatu plus Nich Churni. You get Churne, Churnaya, Churnayati. So up to this are Namadhatus. These are all derived from a noun. Namadhatus. Now we are not interested in that now. Namadhatu is separate topic. We are interested in Churadibhyaha Nich. And Nich is an Adadhatuka Pratyaya, important Pratyaya, is to know the properties of this Nich Pratyaya. Because of Nakara being a It, therefore, what are the possible Angakarya? Igantasya Vriddhi, not Igan, in fact, not Igantasya, Ach letter will take Vriddhi. Anyway, Igantasya Vriddhi is fine. You can note Igantasya Vriddhi. Iganta, ik letter at the end will take Vriddhi. Rasva Ikupada will take Guna. This is common as the common operation. Already we have seen when Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, Rasva Ikupada will take Guna. And this is some specific for Nit, and this also. Atopadayaha Vriddhi. Rasvakara, which is Upada, will also take Vriddhi. These are the important. Any one of the Angakarya will happen. Therefore, Angakarya you have to find out from this.
Yes.
Okay. Right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Then next one. In what meaning Nich is added to Churadigana? Then it is because of this two. What is this two? That is Preranarte and Swarte. Preranarte and Swarte. Preranarte and Swarte. Prerana means causality. That's what causality is all about. Preranarte, Nich we say. Preranarte. That is for Preranarte Anyadhatu. Even for you can say 10th conjugation also. That is written here. Swarte atva Prerana comes for Churadigana Dhatu. Therefore, it is Swarte. In the meaning of the very Dhatu, it will come. Or it could be Preranate causative also for Churadigana Dhatu. The form will be same. Depending on the context, we have to find. Whereas for other Dhatus, it can be only in Preranarte. Understand? Is my voice clear? It's also some internet unstable.
Only one time,
Okay.
but no, it's good.
Now, Chur is the first Dhatu in the 10th conjugation. Chur is the first Dhatu in the 10th conjugation. So, Chur plus Nich, Angakarya, you can note. Igantasya Vriddhihi, Rasvikapadaya Gunaha, Atopadaya Vriddhihi. Here, Chur, what is the
Cho.
Anta Repa? That is not equal letter. Upada, Chu is the. Chu will become Cho.
Cho.
Chor plus E, Chori. Chori is no. It's a new Dhatu. Understand? Now,
Yes.
Chori can take Pratip Pratyaya. You can add Tip Pratyaya to Chori. In what sense you are adding Tip Pratyaya? Kartari Sarvadhatuke.
Shap.
Kartari in Kartari sense. Kartari Sarvadhatuke Pratyaya Pare. Then that corresponding to Lakara, Prathama Purusha Ekavacham, Tit Pratyaya is added. When Kartari Sarvadhatuke Pratyaya follows, Shap will come. Then Shap comes. Chori is Yanga for Shap. Chori plus Shap is Yanga for Tip. Fine. And Shap will cause Angakarya, yes or no, because Anga ending with E.
Yes.
Igantanga, E will become Ye, Chore. Chore plus A.
Chorai. I. This is Ayat Sandhi.
No. Angakarya is stronger. Angakarya you have to do first and then only Sandhikaryam. Understand? Chori plus Shap. Shap is A. Can we do directly N Sandhi? No. Because Angakarya is stronger. If Angakarya is possible, that we have to do it first. And then only Sandhikarya. So Chori become Chore. 1, 4, 6, 10. Therefore, add just Tip Pratyaya. No Angakarya possible because Anga ending with A. So Angakarya and Iganta cannot be Iganta because Anga ending with vowel and penultimate has to be a consonant. So Choraya, Chorayati. Chorayati means steals. He steals. Ekavachanam. Understand?
Yes.
So can you try for other forms. Chorayati, chorayattaha, chorayanti. You can do like that.
Yes.
So in what sense now nich is added? Swarte or preranarte?
Swarte.
That depends on the context. Even preranarte, if you add nich to the dhatu, you get the same thing, chorayati only. Preranarte and swarte. 10th conjugation, therefore, is depending on the context, we have to find out. Whereas for other conjugations, which is only in Preranarte. That's the point. That's what the point I wrote here. Swarte अथवा प्रेरणार्थे निच भवति चुरादिभ्यः धातुभ्यः अन्यगणधातुभ्यः प्रेरणार्थे एव भवति निच. Follow.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Then I think I also will close my video because net is little down. Then Etumati cha, next sutra. Etumati is a name. Etu is a name. Name for Prayojaka Karta, causative agent. So in the sense of Prerana Karta, that is causative agent, Nich Pratyaya can be like Dimat, Diman, Dimanto, Dimantaha. Similarly, Etumat, Etuman, Etumanto, Hetumantaha. So Hetu is Prayojaka Karta, causative agent. That is the name given. So Hetu is a Sanya. Prayojaka Karta, Prerana Karta is Hetu. So Hetumat, which has the Hetu. See the description here. Etumati dhatoho, dhatu which has, which is etumata. Etumati dhatoho paraga nich pratyaya bhavati. Meaning what? Etuhu means what? Etuhu is equal to swatantrasya tuhu prayojakaha. The name, sanya. Tadiyah vyaparaha preshanadilakshanaha etuman. The vyapara, like preshana, cause to, preshana, prerana, all same. Preshana Lakshanaha Etuman. Etuman means is to be denoted, then dhatu will take nich pratyaya. Prayojaka vyapare. Prayojaka is Prayojaka karta is causative agent. Vyapare transaction. Transactions like preshana, etc. Vachye dhatoho nich pratyaya bhavati. That is nich pratyaya is used after a dhatu when the action of a causal agent is to be expressed. To cost to reach, send. When these are to be expressed, then dhatoho nich pratyaya bhavati. Nich pratyaya is used after the dhatu when the action of a causative agent is to be expressed. Action of a causal agent. Causal agent is called prayojakaha, karta. Another, this is a name, technical name, etuhu. So, tadiyah vyaparaha preshanadilakshanaha etuman. The vyapara, the transaction which has the hetu, man, which has a hetuman, which has a hetu. Tasmin abhideye, in denoting the prayojaka karta, the dhatu will take nich pratyaya. For example, pat plus nich. The causative agent. It will denote the causative agent. Pat plus nich. So pat plus nich, what will happen? Nich will cause the penultimate is akara. Atau padayaha vriddhihi, by that. Vriddhihi, yes, by that part. Then party plus tip, you get party, pate, pataya, patayati. Patayati means pat means to read. Patayati means cause to read. It means teach. So the action of the causative agent, it doesn't denote patati, doesn't denote reading, cause to read. Therefore, action of a causal agent. So hetumat, hetuma. The teacher in this case, for example, adhyapakaha patayati. So adhyapakaha, hetuman, causal agent. Understand? When the action of a
Yes.
causal agent is to be expressed, that is adhyapakaha patayati. Then the action of the causal agent, he causes the students to study. Nich pratyaya. Causal agent is what is called etuhu. Causal agent is called etuhu, otherwise called prayojaka karta. Okay.
Yeah.
The action of the causal agent is what is called etuman. Denoting the action of the causal agent, dhatu will take nich pratyaya. Okay.
Yes.
That's why I say etumati cha. Hetu means prayojaka karta, causal agent. Okay. So etumati cha. Etumati cha. So etumati cha, etumat shabda. Etuman, etumanto, like Bhagavan, Bhagavanto, Bhagavanta, same way. Etuman, etumanto, etumanta. Bhagavati, Saptami Vibhakti. So only etumati. Etumati cha. So etuman is the, etumat is the pradipati. Is to be expressed and dhatu will take nich pratyaya. So hetu means the one who causes the independent agent, Swatantra Karta, to act is called hetu. So therefore the operation related to hetu, like preshana, etc., is called hetumat. Patayati, hetumat. Pachayati, hetumat. So in denoting the, that's why hetumati. In denoting the hetumat, nishprataya is added after the dhatu. In denoting the hetumat, the operation related to the hetu, the causative agents, in denoting that, hello?
Hello. I'm here.
Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah, do you follow?
Yes.
Okay. Then, so therefore, to any dhatu, we can add arte for other gana. So patayati. So only kad becomes kadayati. Kadayati is the operation, is the kriya related to the yetumat. Yojaka karta, the operation related to the prayojaka karta yetu is called etumat. That's a etumati. Etumati arte. Etumati abhideye. In denoting the hetu. So, what is Yetuman? And you need to know, understand clearly. Yetuman referring to the Vyapara of the causative agent. So, in denoting that Yetumati Abhideye, in denoting the Vyapara of the causative agent, even Churadigana also. But Churadigana anyway, by default, it takes Nich. So, therefore, very difficult to find out. In terms of the form, the Rupam is same. Keeping keeping the context in view, then only. Next sutra, understand, right?
Yes.
Next sutra, Syatasi Lr Litoho. Here, Lr and L. L should be connected to the Toho, Takara also. So, Lit Lakara as well as Lut Lakara. Then Lr is, we have been Rit, future tense, and Lring, conditional. We have seen before. All the Lakara Arthas and all before. So, three Lakaras are referred to. So, or Lut. Syatasi, Dvivachanam it is. Sya and Tas. Sya Pratyaya for Rit Lakara future tense and Ring Lakara conditional and Tas for Lut Lakara. Anadyatane Lut, we have seen before. So, yeah, you can see. As Ring, both these Lakaras are referred to. Litoho Parataha Dhatoho. What happens? Syatasi Pratyayo Bhavataha. Yathakramam Bhavataha. This conditional move. So therefore, how many lakaras? Three. When little ring or lut follows, dhatu will take vikarana pratyaya. It's not gana vikarana. It is just vikarana pratyaya. Sya for ring and rit and lut follows. Okay.
Yes.
Siddhanta Kaumadi. R iti ring litoho grahanam. Ring and lit both have to be brought in that because of r. And dhatoho syat. Shap is a Ganavikana Pratyaya, Shapasyan, etc. Whereas this is a Vikarana Pratyaya. Please understand here the difference. When Shap will come, when a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, Shap will come. In the place of Shap, other exceptions may come. Sha will come, Shna will come. When Kartari Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, when Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, like Tip, Tasdi, etc. follows, then only Ganavikana Pratyaya will come. Whereas here, when Rit Lakara itself follows, then Vikarana Pratyaya comes. When Vikarana Pratyaya comes. Understand?
Yes.
Or I will type and show. Understand? Please see. Kartari Sarvadhatuke Shap. Let us take simple one. So what it says, Kartari Sarvadhatuke Shap. When Paddhatu is there, there is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, right?
Yes.
So when Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, Shap
Sure.
comes. Now here what it says is, Dhatoho. When Rit Pratyaya follows, then Vikarna come, which is Sya. Sya is a Vikarna Pratyaya for all the dhatus, of all the ganas.
Yes.
When Tip comes, then Gana Vikarna comes. See the difference. And after that, what you do, corresponding to Purusha and Vachana, then you bring Tip, etc. Then you get. So see the difference. This is the difference. When a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, first we say Lat Lakara will come and Lat Lakara corresponding to Prathama Purusha, Ekavachanam is Tip and Tip Pratyaya, this is Kartari, Sarvadha. Setasi Lilitoho. So you can see the difference. Setasi Lilitoho. And Vikarna Pratyaya, Tas, when it follows. This is an Apavada to Shapt, etc. Okay, then becomes Shatasi Pratyaya Bhavataha. So Yata Sankyam Anudesha Samanam is separate. Sya will come for Rit and Lin, and Tas will come for Lut. That's what the meaning is. I've written here. When after the Dhatus. L is a common expression for ring and rit, and they can refer to conditional mode. And second, future tenses. Plus Sya plus then Lit Lakara. In fact, Kru plus Lit Lakara, then that Lit Lakara follows. Therefore, in the sense of future tense, Sya will come. Then Karishya. Lakara. Ling Lakara is, because it's a Nit Lakara, one Agama will come, and other forms are same as Lang Lakara, Akarishyat. Tas Pratyaya will come after Dhatu. Dhatu here, Kru Dhatu plus Tas plus Kru Dhatu plus Tas plus then Lit. Before anyway, that we will see later, not required for us. So for Kru Dhatu, future tense is Karishyati, conditional is Akarishyata, if you are done in that condition. Karta, Lut Lakara is future tense, Anadyatane Lut, Karta. So for Rit and Ring, the Pratyaya is Sya, for Lut, the Pratyaya is Tas. Only when the Lakaras follow. Understand?
Yes.
Yes. Lut Lakara already, in fact, we have seen. I taught you. Simple. future tense already we have done patisya. Then this dhatu is a sya is what pratyaya? Sya is
Sarvadhatu.
Ardha sir. Not sarvadhatu sir. Where is Shit in Shit?
Yes, yes.
And
Ardhadhatu.
Valadi, therefore it. Yes or no? Apada and
I'm
this
sorry.
sakara not at the end of the padam, preceded by in or ku. This will undergo shatvam ishya. Therefore, finally we get.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear why this E comes.
Your voice is not audible. Hello?
This E, I didn't hear
Yeah.
why this E comes. E before Sya.
We follow.
I didn't hear why this E comes. E before Sya.
Vala. Like a pratyaya. Takes right?
Yes.
Tavat pratyaya we have seen. Patita, patitavan. Remember?
Yes.
Same thing. Except yakara, all the consonants. Adadhatuka pratyaya beginning with val will take ittagama, provided that before. Yes, remember.
Yes, yes.
That's why ittagama comes patishyati. Otherwise, how ittagama will come? See. Ooh. Yeah. Then tavat. Ta pratyaya. All these are pratyaya, right? What pratyaya all is? Is Savadhatukam?
No.
Savadhatukam is therefore this is Adhatuka. What? Ganavikana pratyaya for 8 conjugation. Ardhatuka pratyaya, right?
Yes.
Not thing, not shit. And this is
Ardhadhatu.
yes, sir.
Ardhadhatu.
How do you know Ardhatukam?
Nothing, not shit.
And see that these pratyayas beginning with what letter? Takara, this is Takara, this is Sakara, this is Takara. These are Valadi, Adhatuka pratyaya. Before, we have seen this before.
Yes.
Valadi, Adhatuka pratyaya will take it. Even if the pratyaya Valadi dhatu is not said, then it will not take. Understand? Even if the pratyaya dhatu is said dhatu and the pratyaya is not Valadi, then also it once before. We will see it elaborated when the context comes. So here, Sya being an Adhatuka pratyaya, beginning the one letter, Dhatu being a straight Dhatu, Ittagama comes.
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Therefore, you get patishyati. Is my voice audible?
Yes, but the internet is very unstable.
Vachaspati, do you hear me?
The internet is unstable. Sometimes I hear, sometimes not.
Okay.
In the final 10 minutes.
I heard they are doing something.
You change
Okay.
the connection after last class?
No, the same thing only. But they are going to do something. They will. Well,
Last class it was good, but today it's not so good.
so maybe another 1 week you have to manage with this. Do you hear me now?
Yes.
Hmm. So please remember, this is new.
Yes,
Baladi
I
Adi. Huh? You,
this is underneath that. So I understand. I remember now.
do you recall this?
Yes.
I mean, I'm not asking you to remember this, but another question. How do you know the dhatu is set? How do you find out? I told you. I taught you. On dhatu pata.
Yes.
How do you find out the dhatu is set or not? The swara of the dhatu is eka chanudhatu dhatu is anit. Remember,
Yes.
I taught you before this. Eka chanudhatu dhatu is anit. I'll show you dhatu kosha. What is dhatu kosha? You see the screen. This you must be having, right?
Yeah.
So what is the what is yes?
Set.
Dhatu is said. So this dhatu in the dhatu pata, the swara of the vowel is under anudata. Then B means wait. The swara of the vowel of the dhatu in the dhatu pata is given. A is not anudata. If it is anudata, then it would be anit. Here it must be different from. If it is there, then itagama will come. Now pat dhatu you see. Set or anit or wait. Pat dhatu. You see pat dhatu.
Yes.
Set
Set.
or anit or wait.
Set.
It means this is that the sound, I mean, the swara of the pa, that a in the dhatu is not anudata. Something other than anudata. Either it may be, it must be udata, not swarita. If it is swarita, then dhatu is said. Because dhatu is said, and the pratyaya here is ya, which is adadhatu pratyaya, beginning with a val letter. Val means what? Val stands for the pratyahara. All the consonants except yakara.
Yes.
Then Valadi Adudatuka Pratyaya, therefore Itakama comes. Understand?
Yes.
So all these things we already have seen. You need to recollect.
Yes. Yes.
Betty. Please go through the past. I think I know it's a little difficult to remember everything. That's why I keep repeating.
Yes.
Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnama Tishanti Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवाद.